Hello, Tangy Productions here. So, today, I got a package. Let's see what's, I think it's a new processor from Intel. We're going to take a look, see, okay? But I'll change just a little snippets. Try not to. That's why I use a short knife on these, or a little cram bit, so it just digs a little tippy. That way it doesn't poke my jar. You know what it means? A little happy knife, a little shorty. And this is the new guy. So that would appear to be it, man. So it's an Intel i9 Intel Core Unlock 13th Gen. That's some intense stuff, man. I'm not kidding. I actually thought that this was crazy big. I'm looking at my workstation motherboard. I think this is a different processor, but that's the guy. So I might have just messed up here, but whatever. So this one is an i9 Intel. These ones might be, we'll see. I don't know if it fits two processors or not, or if it has a plate or something like that. We'll see. Check it out. And then, so yeah. And maybe it's different from the picture. I'll have to check it out and see for the in-outs on it. This one was pictured on Amazon with it. This was supposed to be 24 cores. So this one, Intel i9 24 core. If worse comes to worse, I'd just grab another board. I'm not much into returning things. I actually just do my work. So we'll have to figure it out. But if it looks from the physical specs, this might be one long way. I don't know if it's two processor. I'll have to figure that out. Other than that, we'll get back to you. But yeah, so let's see. Yeah, this is the i9-13900kf and LGA 1700 socket, 35 or 36 megabyte cache. This should have came as a 24 core processor. So let's take a look. Let's see what's online and then see what's good with it. Okay. Tons of work open right now. Okay. So let's see. So i9 1300. What was it? 13900. Okay. CPU. So, yeah, and then shopping. It's 24 cores, ladies and gentlemen. These are LGA socket 1700. So I might have a slight issue, but who knows? But either way, right now they're kind of low stock. They're not real easy to find. There's only 3 left in stock on order for the 24 cores. But for the price tag for a processor, I didn't find that to be shocking when I buy processors and max threads. It's 32 thread, 5.8 gig unlocked. That's a decent processor. That's all I can say. So, I'll have to figure it out if it fits in the workstation or what I got to do to rig it in there. It could be different from the picture. It could be different socket set from the picture as well. Not entirely sure. I thought it was the same. It was pictured with the board. So I don't know. But might have messed it up. I'll have to get back to you on that one. But other than that, looks like a decent product. 24 cores are coming out. Good job on Intel. I'm sure AMD. I've seen the new Threadripper. I've seen there's some crazy production value going on. We might have to reestablish it and get back to better tactics, but we'll figure it out. Other than that, by the way, just randomly, I launched a .com and a .org today on Library. Okay, coming in the near future, it's going to be a public prefab library search engine for 1-to-1 ratio products in 4K and prefabs for nonfiction, fiction and nonfiction libraries. Basically 4K renders that are universal fit to a 32-inch screen. So it's for shopping across the world, from entrepreneurs shopping across the world on 4K. So any entrepreneur can slap it in, and then they can carry a business eventually in a USB in their pocket. So if you got to move, you don't have to lose your business. You know what I mean? You can move your business and then just add a branch somewhere is the whole idea behind it. But we're working on it, just one day at a time. The builds, man, the builds. If it ain't one thing, it's another, you know what I mean? All right, you have a wonderful day, folks.